Boys in the back, they be rolling up they doty, yeah, they flowing till they choking. This one got LAKEY.
Alright guys, it is day 2. Saturday morning, driver's meeting just ended, and we just were kind of having breakfast, chilling a little bit, and we're ready to go on track. I'm still on the same tires from last night, and I got puppies for $100. So I'll probably go out with who am I going out first? I'm trying to actually drive with Spencer and Van and Derek, because we didn't really get to drive together that much last night, and if I'm gonna do like team tandem comp, then I do want to get some runs in with them. We just had some car issues, like people were having different issues and whatnot, so today should be a good day. Everyone's kind of fixing their stuff, and yeah, we're getting ready to go out right now. Look who made it with a Prius. Oh my god.
Not too bad. Come show them.
Cool. All right, pop this. Let's see the battery. What kind of battery you got in this thing?
Good old 18 volt.
That ain't no battery. What the heck is that?
Hey, that's one best fucking electric motor I've ever seen in my life right there.
Yeah. This is a 1J powered freaking
Boys in the back, they be rolling up they doty, yeah, they flowing till they choking. This one got LAKEY. I'm talking, I don't trick on chickens often. The boys in the back, they be rolling up they doty, yeah, they flowing till they choking. This one got LAKEY. Yeah.
been going so so far so good. We did our team tandem comp. It was cool. I'll show the videos of that. We had, you know, we didn't qualify or anything, but it was still sick. We had pretty good runs. We were all pretty close. Had a couple little issues straightening up and stuff, but it was pretty doors. It was sick. You know, it's the first time we've all driven together for pretty much ever since the first time I've ever really driven with them. So it was cool. I'll show you guys that footage.
We'll be back to the album in just a moment, but first these messages.
I get so big, I get sticking in my beat. I get thicker than your beat. Hey, your beat. Yeah, should that be? Yeah, I'm with that beat. Yeah, I'm with that beat. I get so big, I get sticking in my beat. I get thicker than your beat. Hey, your beat. Yeah, should that be? Yeah, I'm with that beat.
Right now the hanger on the exhaust broke, so Jones over here has a good idea. So he's gonna teach us something right now. He's gonna learn us something. Hold on a second. Let's see it. All right, so we got baling wire. Boom. And he said we should twist it together so it's stronger, which is a good idea. And he's gonna do it in the drill, which is a great idea. You're locked in. There you go. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go slow. It's a Milwaukee. Oh,
Okay.
nice. That's tight.
And
That's how you fix a beamer exhaust right there.
Boom.
Woo, some tension on that bad boy.
Legit. All right, so we're gonna take.
braided.
Is it hot? Okay. We're gonna take this. Just one of the rubber hangers broke. It's pretty common. Happens a lot. Let's see. Yeah, that rubber hanger right there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Just the bottom of it broke, so the exhaust fell through it. So I'm gonna take some baling wire, just go kind of right around the exhaust, up above this right there. All right, let's do it. All right, boys, that's how it's done. A little baling wire. This will last till the end of the weekend, and I'm gonna say that I'm gonna fix it when I get home, and I probably won't. I'll just leave it like that till it breaks again. Trent's gonna help me. Trent fixed my brake lights. I didn't have any brake lights last night, and it was kind of sketch because, you know, if someone's chasing you, they can't really tell when you're hitting the brakes. So, thank you, appreciate it. All right, we're good to go. I think we're ready to go back and drive.